the Chief Certified Meteorologist Brian Carrick. And Brian, do we have any good news regarding Hurricane Dorian?
Well, Ryan, a couple of pieces of good news in that we have this storm system weakening. It's a Category 2 with winds to 110, and it's picking up some steam, moving to the northwest at 5. I want you to just kind of caution, though, at the coast because we're about ready to experience some pretty good squalls. High wind as well as some heavy rainfall about ready to pass through Brevard County. We're getting some pretty good rain over in the Claremont area. This is our headquarter Honda Cam. A downpour and a heavy downpour at that, sliding through Lake County at this time. Let's go over to our coast, our Kelly Ford Cam. This is at Ponce-de-Leon Atlantic Park in Melbourne Beach. And the camera trying to keep up as the signal is a little bit weak because of all the wind. And you see here as we go up just the coast, our Bogan Muns and Muns Cam, Cocoa Beach, Shepherd Park. The wind is really starting to pick up as well. So over to Storm Tracker 13 Doppler radar we go. And right now, the eye of Dorian sitting offshore southeast of Brevard County by about 100 miles or so, wobbling off toward the northwest. We've seen a little bit of a jog north. It kind of wobbles back northwest and northwest. It's going to continue that movement tonight up the coast. So conditions will deteriorate in Brevard County over the next half hour. You're going to keep that steady rain around. I want to zoom in though and show you what we have going on with that heavy cluster of showers and some embedded storms racing through Lake County, right across the turnpike right now and over Claremont, as I mentioned. And as we pause down and we move up just a bit, I'll track this for those of you who may be traveling. Looks like in southern Lake County right now, as it moves off to the south and west at upwards of 30 to 40 miles per hour over Whiffla by about 255, over Barrett 257, and over Green Pond by 259. Let's take a look at this monster. Yes, still a very large storm. I mentioned, although weakening, the wind field expanding. Hurricane winds out 60 miles from the center of circulation, still offshore. But notice the eye has gotten bigger. It's over 60 miles across now. And so as you see here, we kick back some of the tropical storm force winds out 175 miles from the center of circulation. So the tropical storm force winds already increasing here across Brevard County this afternoon. Overnight, scooting through eastern Osceola, eastern Orange, eastern Seminole County, and into Volusia and Flagler County through tomorrow morning. By tomorrow evening, we're winding that wind down quickly. Thursday right now looks quiet. So here comes Dorian. Notice the bands that continue to Brevard County and start spreading inland as well. Look how far offshore this eye is. Looks like it's going to remain about 60 to 70 miles offshore, still taking a good beating at the coast. Coastal erosion and surge will be a problem with hurricane force winds still not out of the question along the coast. Windy elsewhere. An update on Dorian. David Hecker joins me here coming up at 2:51. Eric and Allison?
All right, Brian, thank you so much. So up next, we're going to take a closer look in Brevard County, going out there to the EOC to see what officials say you need to know right now.
All right.